than a luxury these days, but that accessibility is limited across the state. On Wednesday, Texas Comptroller Glenn Hagar announced that his office is looking to expand broadband access in rural areas through a new state law passed this month. KLBK's Peyton Reeves has more about how this could impact West Texas.
For many Texans in rural areas, internet availability is not always easy to find or access. But Texas Comptroller Glenn Hagar and the Texas Broadband Development Office are hoping to change that through the Broadband Infrastructure Fund, which is separate from the federal Coronavirus Capital Projects Fund. The new law would allocate over $1 billion to bring internet into undeserved areas all over the state using the Texas Broadband Development Program.
I've been in telecommunications for 45 years, and the level of funding is historic. We have never, ever seen the level of funding that's available, and so, we're excited about that.
And while that is a significant amount, it's less than the original $5 billion proposed, and some worry it won't be enough.
Think about the number of households that don't have internet access. And you think about the amount relative to the amount of money that's being provided. We need a whole lot more, but it's also a very positive step in the right direction.
An important part of Hagar and the BDO's plan is improving the accuracy of the Texas Broadband Development Map that thousands of Texans have already challenged.
Some of our clients that applied for some of this money on the state level and on the federal level were unable to get the application because some other companies have claimed that they could serve in that area and they could not.
Dr. Gachago agrees that the reality is different than what's on paper.
Kudos to whoever put the map together. You've got to thank them. They made a really positive effort. But I think when you're actually in the trenches, when you're actually engaged with the people out here and rural West Texas, then you realize the actual reality of the situation is.
And Overman encourages those in underserved areas to make their voices heard.
I would encourage, go to your county commissioner and say, look, did you know the people in your county can't get broadband because this map's wrong? And as a matter of fact, a lot of the rural independent companies would actually join you.
Peyton Reeves, KLBK News.
Now, voters will still have to approve the state constitutional amendment that enacts the law in November. Until then, you can fill out the Texas Digital Opportunity Plan survey, which you can find over at our website, everythinglubbock.com. Well, roughly